Day ceremony paying tribute to health workers came a day after the government approved pay rises for them. But some health workers say the deal doesn't go far enough, and a protest is being held at Place de la République. Chris Moore is there. He joins me now. Chris, what more can you tell us?
Well, as you've been seeing, Claire, curtailed Bastille celebrations this year. Over at Place de la Concorde, Emmanuel Macron and the French government very keen to show that they were paying tribute to health workers, amongst others who, as you can imagine, are national heroes here in France in the wake of the COVID-19 crisis. The context, as you said, is pen being put to paper on an extra €8 billion for France's public health sector, a lot of it going in pay rises to nurses who'll get an extra €183 a month on average. Not all unions are happy with that, and some of them are leading what for the moment is a relatively small demonstration against this and the government's attitude to the health sector in general here at the Place de la République. Now, France's health system just about held up during the COVID-19 crisis, despite at one point having to call on the country's neighbours for help. But these unions, other critics of government policy, say that the COVID crisis exposed a lack of resources, a lack of funding that had been going on, not just under Emmanuel Macron, but under his predecessors, François Hollande and Nicolas Sarkozy. You've been hearing also about some of the other problems facing the French president, not least COVID-19 triggered unemployment. Bastille Day is traditionally kind of the time when the French knock off for the summer, but it's also a country in which politics often play out on the street, and it's likely to be a challenging autumn, I think, for the French president and his government.
Thank you, Chris. Chris Moore reporting there. Now, it wasn't that long ago that the US